A new report finds homelessness in Washtenaw County has risen more than 70% since 2022. Welcome back to CBS News Detroit at 5. I'm Shayna Humphreys.
And up Terrence Friday, CBS News Detroit's Jack Springate is getting answers about the causes of the spike and how it's putting a strain on resources.
Well, these organizations tell me they're feeling the impact of this trend, saying there's a growing demand for their resources year over year. The study found 373 people experiencing homelessness when they compiled the data in January. 350 of them were using shelters, but 23 of them were spending their nights unsheltered. The Washtenaw Housing Alliance says the number of unsheltered people only grows as the weather gets warmer.
That's the bare minimum number, anywhere. And so we have heard from our street outreach providers that the number has grown just from January.
A man in Ann Arbor told me rising rent and cost of living are making it difficult for him to find stable housing, even with a job.
I actually live in one of the homeless shelters, but also got a job at the airport. So right now I'm saving up enough so that I can get my house, but I'm still gonna have those struggles because I'm gonna have to pay mortgage fees, rent.
The study found 105 more people heading to shelters and 17 more people living completely unhoused in 2025 compared to 2022. I asked Carlisle if they felt the impact of growing demand for housing support.
Definitely, we've had a really challenging time serving folks immediately with, emergency shelter resources, or we just don't have the housing available for folks.
Ozone House caters to teens and young adults as old as 24. Their young adult transitional housing program is full with 14 residents, but they say even more are on their wait list.
A couple months ago, that wait list was at 30. I think we're down to 18 right now. We have a lot of staff here that can't afford to live in Washtenaw County. So certainly we see that with young people as well. They'll be working and aren't able to afford living on their own.
These providers also tell me the demographics are changing as they're seeing more people with disabilities and seniors who need housing assistance. Getting answers in Washtenaw County, I'm Jack Springate, CBS News Detroit.